Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have opened an image in the Photoshop, and this picture was taken by Anna Switch, and this picture I have downloaded it from pixels.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna crop this image using crop tool, and I'm not putting any sort of dimension over here, just simple crop, and I'm gonna crop like this, a little bit down, and press enter. Then I'm gonna zoom a little bit to view the skin area of the face. So this is perfect. Now make a duplicate of this image. Just right click and duplicate layer, or click and drag over here and make a duplicate. Now go to blend mode and change it to vivid light. Then go to image, adjustment, and invert, or press Ctrl+I, and picture is not visible, but we're gonna fix that. So now go to filter, other, high pass. Now put the value between 20 to 25, maybe in my case I'm gonna put 24, and press enter. It's not looking good now as well, so I'm gonna do filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Now put the value between 1 and 3, so I think I'm gonna put 2 for now, and press OK. Now it's done. Now the effect has been applied all over the places, but we need only over the skin. So to fix that, you have to press this layer mask button holding Alt to create a negative mask. So hold your Alt button from your keyboard and click on this icon over here to create a negative layer mask. So now everything's gone, but we need to apply the effect over the face. So to do that, click over the mask, not here, here. Then select a brush tool, something like this, any soft brush, and you can change your size as you need, and you can even zoom a little bit to see properly, and you can increase and decrease the opacity level and flow level to control the flow of the brushing, and apply over the skin. So slowly apply only over the skin, not on hair. You can leave the dark area because it's not gonna be visible there. And also you don't have to apply over the highlighted part, just over the mid-tone. And over the neck also. Now it's done. See, before and after. It's amazing, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to get notified when I upload video next time, and also don't forget to like and share this video.